Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel Success Challenge 17. In today's short video, I just want to do a quick review about WinTube. WinTube, which claims that you can make money every day just by watching short videos online. So keep watching and you are going to judge for yourself at the end of the day whether the site is really worth it, whether it is genuine, whether it's fake or is legit. So you're going to decide for yourself. So keep watching. Before we go on, I'll just encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe so that you don't lose my upcoming videos, because on this channel I teach you how to make money online, and I also do reviews on other offers that actually help you, and I'll actually help you whenever you have any question. And after watching the video, if you need any help, just check below. You will see my contact details, you see my email address, and even my WhatsApp contact. You get in touch with me so we'll discuss. Thank you. So go on now and watch. Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video. Consider subscribing to my channel so you don't lose my upcoming videos that will help you, teach you how to make money online and to make reviews on some products, of course. Well, the questions I've been receiving are some of them. Is WinTube legit? Is WinTube paying? What is WinTube? Are there any WinTube withdrawal proof? Well, these are questions that have been asked by several others, and I've decided to make this quick review video about WinTube again. I have done that one previously, but I want to hammer more on this and to let you know that you have to stay and stick to the end of this video. I have an important opportunity to share with you a zero investment platform that you can get started and start earning daily income. That is legit and that is free, and you're going to see the people on Facebook group. Okay, now WinTube really has been up on the internet recently, and it's really taking place. A lot of people are talking about it. People are spamming on Facebook groups with their links with this, and I've just decided again to look at it here. So WinTube is just nothing but something that say what? It's a platform that you actually earn money with by watching videos online. Okay, it's the most popular spot online to earn cash for watching videos. Okay, so you just get started. You click here to sign up. That's what they're saying. And how does it work? And what they're saying that you watch videos. Just watch what commercial ads, movies, and TV shows online. And that's the perfect way to start earning money for yourself. Money, real money. Then you can also refer your friends. Once you refer your friends will receive $5 each after they are confirmed. And you also, the referrer, will what? Receive $1 each. Then you get paid. As the monies come, you get paid to your bank account, your PayPal, WebMoney, Western Union, and whatever. And these are their partners as they claim. I don't know how popular each of these is. I don't know. Well, before I go on, I'll just let you to know that sometimes back, I remember I joined a particular, a similar site like this, watching videos. In fact, the ask that you reach what, $50 before you can withdraw. I reached that one, but I wasn't able to withdraw. In the end, they even asked me to pay some money before I'll be allowed to withdraw. So I just sense this as a similar fake site. Because I watched a couple of videos on YouTube, I have not seen anybody being able to show their withdrawal proofs. Okay, so out of curiosity, I really created my account with them. You can just click on this and then click on sign up. Okay, so I just want to log in right in front of you here to see my admin area, so that we'll all take a complete review of the dashboard and we'll see what's happening there indeed. Okay. Oh, sorry, I have signed it already. So if you are signed up, this is what you do to go through this form. So I have just to log in. All I need to do now is just log in. If you're a member, just log into your account so that we'll all do the quick review together. Again, as I said earlier, stick and stay to the end of this video. I'm going to reveal to you something amazing, something that will blow your mind. A free site to actually start earning, 100% legit, 100% sustainable, okay? And with 100% proofs, and with real human beings involved. Okay. Okay, as you can see now, okay, as you can see, I'm just want to log into my account live before you. Okay, here I am in my admin area or my dashboard. You can see, you see your watch balance and then your account balance. So these are the videos. You just watch the entertainment videos and earn. Indeed, as they are saying, you have up to, let me see how many, 5 videos per day. Each video, you just watch it for 34 seconds. That is all, and your account will be credited. Okay, according to them, indeed. So this is it here. Video 1, you when you're watching, you earn 61 cents. 2, 32 cents. Video 3, 47 cents. Another one here, 52 cents. This one, 56 cents. Okay. Wow. Just for doing this, just for short videos and credited this huge amount of money. Then I wonder, then nobody will do any work. Nobody will go out to work. You just lie in your room and be making free money like this. So what was running your minds? Are you seeing this huge amount of money for watching just videos? What's running your mind? Do you think this is going to work for you? Well, it's up to you. Go to decide for yourself. But I will not waste my time on this site. As I said, it's not going to take you anywhere. Nobody has been able to withdraw. So let's just look at, let's tap on the menu here. So once you are here, just tap on withdraw. Let's tap on withdraw to see what happens. Okay, these are the ways you can withdraw. You can withdraw to PayPal, WebMoney, Western Union, and Payoneer. So Western Union, just you can withdraw up to a minimum of $100 to your Western Union account. Okay, $100 to $150. Okay, then even up to $200. Then you can also withdraw via PayPal, $80. Okay, from $80 to also to $150 USD. And then WebMoney too, you can also withdraw $80 to $100, so $150 too. So that is it. And you can also withdraw via Payoneer. Okay, so that's what they're saying. Well, I didn't. Somebody will say, well, I have not reached the $80. No, I wouldn't waste time to do this. I have seen people who have shown me screenshots of their earnings, even more than $80, but they are not able to withdraw. Some even said they'll watch up to some points and their money they earn will start decreasing, which means it could take you a year to reach even $80. And who knows, you are not even going to get paid. Okay, so this is a site that will just waste your time. Don't waste your time here. Indeed, I will not lie to you. So now what happens, I want to show you a free legitimate site you can actually join today and start making money by tomorrow. And it's legit again. So let me just step for the site and show you something. This is the site. I will leave the link below the description of the video. You go check it out. I don't need referrals, commissions, because this is not going to pay anything to me. It's as easy as joining for free. You're not spending even a dime from your pocket. It's not recommended. If you decide, you decide. So this is the site. When you click on the link below this video, you come here to this site and then you see the dream proof, the concept, the charter, whatever it is, a whole lot of things. You see the Facebook group. You can click here to go join the Facebook group. So once you are on this page, just locate join us. You can see it here. You just tap on join us, then to go join to free. This is a short video here. This video here that gives you the basics about the whole system. Just watch it. Then you come down here, also watch this one. Have you seen it? How to earn easy money with the system. Then below it, you can click on join us. So let me just show you something. Let me get to the proof. It's easy to earn with this system, as I said. So the proof, when you come here, this is a video for you to watch. The proof video is here. You can see it here. The proof video is here. Okay, you watch this video and see all the withdrawal proofs and earning proofs of members since it started. Okay, so it's really real. This something is working. Okay, so you watch this. So that's due to the network. So you can just watch it. You can see the earning proofs. Those people, each of them is on Facebook. If you doubt, you can contact them on Facebook. They will show you the real proofs. Okay, so just click on join us now. So below you can also leave a comment. You can see some comments here. Look at this here. This is an incredible program, and remember guys, you can earn for free. Just take pools from your earnings that you get from logging in daily and reading emails. It's wonderful indeed. You see here, I started my account just 2 weeks ago, and I found it amazing to see my US dollars account increase by $5 a day just for logging in and reading some emails. Okay, so that's in 79 years. Look at this one here. So there's a lot of things here. All you just need to do is what? Just log in daily, log in every day, and then read few emails. The emails just take even 6 seconds. You are done, and your account gets credited. You can stake when you earn more. You can then stake. Okay, you can then stake pools, and you earn more and more for yourself. You can even see more tax for yourself, and even getting started. The getting started here guide is here. So the good thing about this is that you earn instant $2 commissions with this system. Once you join, there are 3 steps. Okay, yes, just verify your email address, okay? Check your email and verify your email address to confirm it, and there's a tutorial video on how to do it here. The second thing is what? You complete your profile. Set up your profile where they can know that you are a real human being. Complete it clearly. The guide is also here. Then that last one is what? Adding your wallet, okay? You just add your wallet. It is the wallet that they're going to pay you. There's also a short video here. So these are also texts that will give you all the directions. Once you do complete these 3 tasks, instantly you earn $2, okay? And this $2 is for you. You can start what? With it, and you can start earning. This is free indeed, as I told you earlier. So it's really great. It's an amazing opportunity to get started. So just come and then click on join, okay? Join us. As it's here, just click on join us to go join. You can see all the proofs as I said. So We Share Abundance is really for a good cause, and it's really amazing. Let me show you. Let me take you to our Facebook group and show you what's also happening there, okay? Here I am on our Facebook group. In my Facebook group, let me just search for the group. The group we have, We Share Abundance. The same way, if you click on the join us on Facebook page there, it will take you to this site. It will take you to the Facebook group. I want to show you in real time what's happening here. They are real human beings. Remember, in WinTube, you couldn't get something like that to interact with the people. They are working anonymously. You don't know where they are. Here, you are going to interact with these people. Look at our group here. The numbers are swelling with somewhere 1,000, now it's 1,500 plus members. Can you see it here? Can you see it here? It's really free. These are the real members involved. This is what Graham Frame, our YouTube channel, all this, okay? Yes, these are some of my team members. So this is a real opportunity here ongoing. So this is really going to launch soon, but already money is being made, good money of course, and people are actually happy about it. You can see it here, real human beings here. We interact every day. We see the founders, okay? This is not like others where you go, you don't know those who are in charge. So this really good side that is actually earning people good income indeed, and you can't be left out, okay? So updates every single day. Here, you ask questions and you get more answers. So everything is working. It's free, as I said. It's free to join. You can join and then you can stake other pools and then you can earn some side income for yourself. Let me go back again and log into my account so that you see that this thing is really working. Well, I'm not selling to you. As I said, this thing is just free. I just want you to know that there's something free that you can actually join and take advantage of, okay? Don't let yourself scammed. So let me log in. I want you to know that I'm really a member. You're going to see that I'm a member indeed, and I'm loving it. Once I saw the opportunity, I just staked many pools, and I'm in there, and I'm making it. This is my username, Yorison. As I said, the link is in the description of this video. Go check it out. We Share Abundance is out there to change lives, the ordinary person's life, and this is global, worldwide, indeed. Here I am in my admin area. You can see some of the tabs here. You can if you just tap on We Share Abundance, you can see your USD wallet. You can see your USD wallet indeed. You can see here $10. You can see here $10.96. I earn what? Almost $2 every single day. Okay, just for logging in as a pool member. And as I said, this is free. You don't have to spend for your packet. You can just earn as a free member from the pools. Let me show you the pool options. You can see we have 6 pools indeed. We have 6 pools. Okay, this is for free member. You earn what? Up to 1 cent per day, and this, in fact, it can be increased. Just log in every day, read emails. That is all, and you earn rewards. You can use it to upgrade, and then you can actually earn some side income for yourself. This is really something real that is ongoing. So don't lose this. Don't miss this out. Forget about WinTube. WinTube is not going to pay you. This side is really paying, and members are enjoying it. You see the Facebook group? I would like to see you inside. Go join. If you have any question, put it below in the comments. I will get back to you and help you. Thank you.